What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. This is an important one, guys. This is the 1,000 sub giveaway video. Just want to thank all you guys that subscribed. I'm going to give you guys some details on how to enter the giveaway, and we'll get to giving this away. I'm so excited that we finally hit it. It's been a long road, guys. You guys stay consistent on YouTube. I'll tell you what, though, since we've already hit 1,000, it's been growing faster already. So I'm super excited about where we're going, but let's get to the giveaway. All right, guys, so for the giveaway, I already told you before, it's going to be a bottle of Tomb45 No Drip, the Tennessee Orange, Tennessee Barber Expo Shave Gel, and one of my color enhancement cards, which, guys, if you know, they're on back order. So I have one left for this giveaway. So you guys, one of you guys will be one lucky winner that'll get one. So, guys, to enter, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video. And in the comment section down below, leave the comment 1K giveaway right here. Put it right on the screen. Leave that in the comment section, 1K giveaway. Make sure that you gave me a thumbs up on this video and subscribed. And I'll do the drawing Thursday. I'm dropping another video, another fire video. You guys will like it. Make sure you do all that criteria, guys, and you'll be entered to win. And one of you guys can win this. So without further ado, we'll get into this video. Alright, guys, we're back with another video. This is a side shave with a freestyle design. We're going to go in first. We're going to cut the whole side down to an open one guard and set up our canvas before we go in and do the design. As you guys get back towards the long hair in the back, you'll see me kind of change my angle so I can see what I'm cutting. I just want to make sure I don't cut any of the long hair. A couple of times I've edged up the back of her hair for the design, and a couple long ones have fallen out, and she'll hit me with this look like, you better not be cutting off more of my hair. So real important to hold that hair out of the way. You can see me pull it back right now and get my clipper up behind it. But the last thing you want to do is cut off more of the long hair, because that design will just work its way around. Next thing you know, it'll go all the way around the back of her head. So I'm just going to edge up around this bottom, take it up over her ear, and we're going to give her kind of a feminine C-cup lineup. You guys will see when we get there. You guys can see right there, those skeletons are hitting. I just zero gapped them, reset them the other day, and man, those trimmers are so good. So if you guys aren't using them, man, you're missing out. Go check them out. We're going to start with this design. We're going to go in here and just start sketching this in. And you guys can see I kind of planned what I was going to do with my finger, just kind of visualizing it. We'll go in and start to sketch it in. And as we go over to clean it up, we'll thicken it up before we go in and do a couple fades in there. So. Guys, I do have another video coming soon. I'm working on Cut Jackson's hair. We're going to do a more complicated design, and I have a detailed breakdown to a technique to show you guys so you guys can practice your designs. And I'm working on that. That'll be out here soon. So guys, stay tuned for that. If you're one of my design guys, make sure you check out that video. It'll be some big knowledge in there for you and something to really help you out. So. You guys, we're just going to sketch this in, taking it up as we go until we're ready to go in and do a couple fades. Pardon me walking in front of the camera. This is one of the harder tutorials that I've done, just doing the design. You have to change your angle of how you're standing so much. I was doing my best to stay out of the camera, so I tried to cut out all the back and forth, but I think there's a few I left in there. But yeah, this is complicated trying to film a design and turn and get all the angles. But guys, we're going in here and we're going to fade this design out. So it's the same steps as doing a taper or a bald fade. We're just going to do it upside down. So we did the slimline at the top of the design. That was our open section. And then now we're half open, and then we'll close it up and take that line out. So same as doing a fade up, we're just going to do it down in the opposite direction. And we'll come in like normal. I think I did a 1 on the side to begin with, so there's our half guard. I'm just blending out anything that's left between that open section and the 1 guard. So. Same thing up here, guys. It was a 1 guard, so we came in with an open clipper. We're going to close it up and fade up to the top of that triangle, and then we'll take our trimmer at the top of that. And right there, we use the half guard to blend that open section into the 1. Guys, we're going in with Tomb45 shave gel. We're going to apply this to the design. Then we'll go in with our straight razor and clean these lines out. Apply a little bit of color enhancement just to darken this design up and get our lines to pop. You guys know this is Tomb45 no drip. And that's my color enhancement card. Guys, stay tuned. My video Thursday will have the winner of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll be telling you guys an update with my color card. I got some really cool information to share with you guys, so make sure you check that video out. And I definitely want to thank you guys again for getting me to 1,000 subs. One of my friends tonight said, all right, what's the next goal? 100K. And that sounds crazy, to be honest, but guys, I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to bring you some content. So if you guys like it, man, keep giving me them thumbs up. Leave me some feedback and let me know so I know what you guys want to see, and we're just going to keep pushing. So I appreciate it, guys, big time, more than you know. All right, guys, we're just going in here, cleaning up the finished product, and we'll check out the end result. All right, that's the finished product. Hope you guys like it. This is a Sideshave Freestyle design on my girl Sam. Again, guys, I'm going to keep bringing out new content, definitely every Monday, if not another video every week. So make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.